Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, we will learn MySQL drop, delete and truncate. Let's understand these one by one and begin with drop command. In MySQL, the drop command is used to delete database objects such as tables, databases or indexes. The syntax for the drop command depends on what you want to delete. You can use this syntax, drop database, if exists, database name, where if exists is optional, if exists clause ensures that the command does not produce an error if the database doesn't exist. Example, drop database if exists MySQL test DB, where MySQL test DB is database name. You can see over here, we have three tables, student fee, student result and students. Let's try using drop command on student result table. Syntax for drop command is drop table, table name, that is student result. Now execute the query and check. You can see that we have successfully dropped the table student result. Now let's try dropping MySQL database. See, we have already test DB database. Syntax to drop database is almost similar, just we need to replace table keyword with database keyword. Execute and see, we have already removed database or schema. Now, let's move on to the delete command, which is used to remove specific rows from a table based on a condition. Syntax of delete is delete from table name where condition. Example, delete from student fee where fee ID equal to 9. Let's try. Firstly, select the student fee table and check out the rows in table. We have 3 rows. Now let's delete row with fee ID 9. For that, we will write a delete query, delete from student fee, where fee ID equal to 9. Execute the query and check the result again using select statement. You can see that row with fee ID 9 is deleted. Now, what if we want to delete all rows from student fee table? For that you can just remove where clause. Removing where clause means delete query do not have any condition to check, unlike we checked fee ID equal to 9 in last delete query. But removing where clause is throwing error. It is saying that we are using safe update mode. So now let's go to ChatGPT and search for solution. Copy this statement and execute to disable safe update mode. Now, again execute delete statement without where clause. It should be working. Yes, it is done. All the rows in student fee table are deleted. Lastly, let's explore the truncate command. But before that, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, what is truncate and when to use it? It is a quick way to remove all the data from a table without deleting the table itself. Syntax is quite similar to delete or drop command. Truncate is faster than delete because it does not log individual row deletions. However, keep in mind that it resets auto-increment values. Now, let's insert few rows into table student fee and try truncate. Type truncate table student fee and then execute the statement. Now, select Table Student Fee to check result. So you can see over here there are no rows. Again, let's insert few rows and check how Truncate reseed auto-increment value of column fee ID. You can see over here, auto-increment started from 1 again. Use Truncate when you want to quickly clear a table without removing its structure.